Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. DRDO successfully test-fired two vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile on 22nd February 2021, and these tests proved the ability of the vertical launch system and the missile's maximum and minimum range. As per the defense sources, it is said that both the missiles successfully intercepted their target with pinpoint accuracy. The vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile system is developed by DRDO, and this is a quick reaction which is capable of being vertically launched from naval platforms of Indian Navy and will be used as a short-range air defense system for Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. The Indian Navy will get a canister-based missiles for its frontline warship, and it is said that each vertical launch unit will house 8 missiles to engage the incoming supersonic projectiles. The main intention for coming up with this particular missile by DRDO is to replace the Indian Navy's Barak-1 Israeli shipborne point defense missiles. Just like the Indian Navy, there is another variant of the same missile which is for Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force will be offered with a truck-based mobile canister system, which will most probably be a truck mounted on the 4x4 light utility military truck. This Indian Air Force variant can be used as a short-range air defense system against aerial threats for its forward air bases and infrastructure. This vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile is based on Astra Mark 1 air-to-air missile with 4 cruciform short-span long-chord wings. In addition to this, it comes with additional jet vane-driven thrust vector control to enable quick reaction vertical launch from platforms for point and area defense roles. The vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile family of Indian Air Force will consist of truck-mounted command and control unit, which includes a radar sensor, and 4 to 6 missile firing units and a replenishment support truck. So that was a quick update on the truck-mounted platform of Indian Air Force vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile. The exact trial on this platform is yet to be concluded by DRDO, and once I get further updates, I'll be uploading another video on the same. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.